tire season is almost here, which means some people are going to be buying new wheels soon. If you've ever tried to buy wheels for your car before, then you probably know the process can be overwhelming. Do you want factory wheels or aftermarket? Are the wheels you picked hub-centric? We're here today to help you cut through the noise and understand what the best options are for you and your car.
One way you'll see wheels described is either lug-centric or hub-centric. These terms describe the way that the wheel is attached to your car. A lug-centric wheel means that the center hole in the wheel is oversized to fit a variety of vehicles, often putting excessive stress on the wheel studs as they carry the weight of the vehicle. A hub-centric wheel is when the center hole is the exact fit for the hub on the vehicle. A lug-centric wheel is typically cheaper. However, you will probably need to buy hub-centric rings for each wheel. They can also be more complicated to properly install. For this reason, we will always recommend looking for a hub-centric wheel. You've probably seen cars on the road with aftermarket wheels before. Aftermarket wheels come in many shapes and sizes. They can also be incredibly varied in terms of quality and price. At Tonogram Lexus, you can buy aftermarket wheels for the winter that are up to OEM standards. They are hub-centric and they utilize standard Lexus hardware. With factory wheels, you have a trusted product at a fair price. Factory wheels are also always hub-centric, so you won't have to worry about buying extra rings or making your wheels fit.
That's a lot of information to consider when buying new wheels. If you're still unsure about which wheels you should go with, our parts department can help you choose. They know just what the car needs to perform at its best in every season. If you're in the market for new wheels this winter, please reach out and one of our staff members will be happy to help you with this process.